Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: properties class with other methods, other operations in Java collections framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is collection framework in Java. So coming to collections. So collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java to work with collection of objects in Java collections framework. And this library is available to us in the form of java.util package. So in collections framework, we have collection interface, which is a top level interface or base interface for different collection classes and interfaces which are available in Java collections interface. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection. Second one, set collection. Third one, queue collection. And fourth one, map collection. So here, list, set, queue are inherited from collection interface, whereas map interface, it is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. So coming to some technical points related to the collections. So collections is only for objects but not primitive data types. So if we add any primitive data type value into the Java collections, internally it will be stored in the form of object only. And in collections, every data is stored in the form of object itself. To be more precise, it will be stored as object class, object format, where object class is a super class for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of properties class with other methods or operations in Java collections framework. So properties class is available in java.util package, and this class is inherited from Hashtable class, and Hashtable class is inherited from map interface. So coming to map interface, it is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework and java.util package. Right, so if you see the description of the properties class, open the command prompt and go to your working directory and issue the command java p-p java.util.properties. So properties class, it is inherited from hash table, which in turn it is inherited from map interface. So hash table class is clonable class and serializable class, and its methods are synchronized. So it is a legacy class. In sense, here properties class methods are also synchronized, and automatically it will become clonable as well as serializable. So clonable, serializable, and methods are synchronized in subclass. So our class, which is properties class, also becomes a legacy class. Now coming to the properties class important points, it goes like this. It is a collection of objects storing the data in the form of key value pairs, especially as string comma string, using its own methods. So properties class provides its own methods to store key value as string and string. Example, key 1 value 1, key 2 value 2, key 3 value 3, etc. And it is used to store properties like username, passwords, descriptions, comments, etc. Next, all keys are unique and values can be duplicated in properties class. And its initial capacity is empty. It does not have load factor capacity or load factor concept. And then it does not have indexes, Order is not preserved in properties class. It does not accept nulls, either null key or null value. If you try to put it as key or value, we'll get a null pointer exception, and it provides its own methods for serialization and deserialization. So it is clonable, it is a serializable, and its methods are synchronized. So hence it is a legacy class. So coming to the constructors and methods. So if we see the description of the properties class, so go to the command prompt. So in the description of the properties class, we are going to use this default constructor with the initial capacity empty and does not have the load factor concept. And coming to the methods, we can use set property string comma string. So it is used to set key value pair as string comma string, and we can also use get property. So here we have get property also. So get property string key, it will return string value, right? So we can also use methods which are inherited from the base class like isEmpty, size, isEmpty, and then put method. So put method, it is used to put key comma value. So put object comma object, any object as key value, but it is not advisable. It is advisable to use only string comma string using set property method. And coming to the different methods, we are going to use these methods. Put if absent, if the key value pair is absent, it will put it, otherwise not. Get or default value, we have to pass a key, it will give the value, otherwise default value. We can use key set, set of keys, values as collection of values, remove key value, replace key old value with new value, replace key directly with a new value, and set of keys which are strings using set property names, string property names. So string property names, it will return all the set of keys which are strings. And key set, it is capable of returning both strings as well as other data type objects. Right, so these are some important methods. We are trying to discuss this using a small program, properties class example 2.java. So let us take a new page. First we'll write the comments. Program to demo properties class with other methods or operations. Import java.util package at the beginning of the program, and then take main class with main method and save the program in your working directory. So let us create an object of properties class. P1 is equals to new properties, and then we are putting only strings. So p1 dot put sci123, and then okay, so instead of put is inherited from hashtable class, we use set property, which is a specific method available in properties class. So sci123, second one ram123, username and password, ali123, username and password, tom123, and then pop123. So let us put a comment for the remaining cases, right? And we'll execute all the cases one by one. Initially we'll print properties p1 size 5 is empty false. So save this, come to the command prompt, right, and compile the program. Properties class example 2.java, right, no error, and run. So pop, tom, sai, ram, ali, order is not preserved. Initially we have 5 key value pairs, is empty false. Okay, next we will put one more element. So p1 dot set property uma123, right? So print property p1 and p1 dot size, so it should become 6. Recompile and run. Right, so uma123, now the size is 6. Next we will say put if absent. So put if absent uma456. So uma key is already available, so duplicates are not accepted. So if we print, you will have the same uma123. So recompile and run. So we just have uma123 only. It is not absent, so it is not kept into the properties. Size is 6 only. Next we'll get all set of keys, right? So p1, we will apply key set method. It will return set. We'll store that in set of keys and print set of keys. Save it, recompile and run. So set of keys pop, Tom, Uma, Sai, Ram, Ali. Next we'll get collection of values. So p1 dot values, its return type is collection. So we'll store that in a reference variable collection of values and print it. So recompile and run. So pop 123, Chom 123, Uma 123, Sai 123, Ram 123 and Ali 123. Right. So similarly we will say remove Uma 123. So we have that record key value pair that will be removed or deleted. Recompile and run. So previously we had Uma123, now it is deleted from the properties collection. Size is 5. Next we'll go for replace. So replace Sai key, whose old value is Sai123, with a new value Sai456 and print properties p1. Recompile and run. So Sai123 is replaced by Sai456 new value. Next replace directly with a new value. For example, p1 dot replace Sai, replace it with Sai789 and then print p1. So it will not check the previous old value, directly replaces with a key, given key. Recompile and run. So Sai456 is modified to 789. Next we will go for get or default method. So p1 dot get value or default value. For which one? Sai Baba. So we don't have Sai Baba key. So since we don't have Sai Baba key, we don't have a value for that. So we'll get the default value. Key is not there. Save it. And similarly in the second case, get or default, key is Sai. So for Sai we should get Sai789 because the key is available. So save it, recompile and run. So key is not there. First one, Sai789, key is available, corresponding value will be returned. Next, last one. So getting p1 dot string property names. So it will return all the keys which are represented by strings as set of keys. So key set will represent or returns set of keys, either strings or any other data type objects. So here it will return all the set of keys which are specifically represented as strings, and print set of keys 1. So recompile and run. So Pop, Tom, Sai, Ram, Ali. Right. Now assume that before getting the set of keys, p1 dot put 10 comma oracle. Right. Now 10 oracle is already available in the properties pre1. But when you try to get all the set of keys represented by strings, so let us check, compile it. Right, so we are getting a small error here. Oracle, put it in double quotes. Save it, recompile, no error, run. So when we are running, we are getting only the set of keys which are represented as string. So that is string get properties names. Now if we try to print p1, in the last print p1 also, save it, recompile and run. So when you try to print p1, we are having 10 key with oracle string value. But when we say string property names, you'll get only strings which are represented as strings. So here in this case, gets all keys which are strings. So this is what is working with other methods in Java collections framework of properties class. So that is what is all about this video, guys. Properties class with other methods or operations in Java collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.